How to change server on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change server on Fall Guys. Changing server on Fall Guys is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Fall Guys. Launch the Fall Guys game on your platform. Go to Settings. From the main menu, select the gear icon or setting option. Navigate to server region. In the setting menu, find the region option. It might be under a tab like option or network. Select your desired server. Click on server region option and you will see a list of available region. For example, Europe, North America, Asia, etc. Select the region that best suits your location or preference. Apply or save changes. After selecting the server, apply the changes. The game should automatically adjust to the new server region. Restart the game if necessary. Some platform may require you to restart the game for the server to change and take effect. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change server in Fall Guys. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.